Good morning, class friends. Welcome all of you in this math fair. Chapter 80, I have given you introduction. What is the meaning of 80? And I have also explained what is the nth term of given 80. Today you will learn the sum of first n terms of 80. Sum of first n terms of an 80. Suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash dash plus 100. If I ask you, what is the sum of these numbers? These are in 80. So you have to find the sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dash dash plus up to 100. How will you find? It is a difficult task. Also we can find the sum. But a mathematician Gauss, G-A-U-S-S. Gauss, very prominent mathematician. He has given many theorems, many formula in mathematics. We will also learn many theorems in higher class. Once he was studying in middle class, and a teacher asked him to find the sum. He was very naughty boy and making a lot of noise in the class. To make him silence in the class, the teacher gave him to do the work. Yes, open your rough copy and solve. Find the sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dash dash 200. The teacher thought the student will be busy in his work, but in very few minutes he solved the question and he found the answer. And the students asked, what is the answer? He found 5050. The teacher was very much surprised. And that was the accurate solution, correct solution. And the teacher asked him, how did you get this answer? Because we have not taught this chapter. How have you found this correct solution? उसने कहा कि सर, I have written 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dash dash up to 100. Suppose this is S, S10, and now we have changed the order of the numbers. 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus dash dash plus 1. And we have found the sum of these two sets. AC समझ लीजिए. So on adding 2s, 101, 101, 99 plus 2, 101, plus 98 plus 3, 101, plus how much times? How many times? 100 times. So that will be like this. 2s is equal to 101 into 100. S is equal to 101 into 100 by 2 side. So we have find 100 and plus next number 101 divided by 2, and since we find we have got this. And he has predicted that this string will be a very very famous in mathematics, and later he became a prominent mathematician. Today we know him as a Gauss, Gauss. So, if the numbers are in AP, and if we have to find the sum, we can use this formula, and that formula is, suppose number of terms is n, so S is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. This was the formula given by him. N is the numbers, and n plus 1 next number. So today we have number 100, and next number 101 divided by 2. So this is the method to find the sum if the numbers are in AP. Now I would like to explain how will you get the formula of sum of n terms. Suppose terms are a plus b, a plus 2b, a plus 3b, dash dash. Nth term, you know, I have already explained, a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, find the sum of this, a plus d, a plus 2d, plus dash dash, a plus n minus 1 whole into d. We have rewritten this in reversing the order, a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 2 into d, plus a plus d, and plus a. On adding these two, we have got right side s as 2s, and right side will be 2a plus n minus d, qa plus n minus d. How many times? N times. So n times means 2s is equal to n into this. And you transfer 2, so you will get the sum s is equal to n by 2. This is the formula. Sum of first n terms, we have here how many terms? Number 1 s, a, n and d. S is the sum, a is the first term, n is the number of terms, d common difference. So any three of these four, if we know, we can find the fourth. We can find the fourth term by using this formula. So you will remember this is the sum of first n terms. और इसको दूसरा जो इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं n by 2 को यदि हम ब्रेक कर लें तो a plus a, and this will be n minus 1 into d, and this is the nth term, you know very well. So s is equal to n by 2 into a plus, and this is an. Sometimes we also write this an is equal to l. So s is equal to n by 2 into a first term or n last term. So either we write an or an. So this is the sum of first n terms with the numbers given in the AP. So this was the derivation. Now I solve one question, and then you will be solving the questions of your exercise. And you will also try to derive this formula, and in the solution, no need to derive, you have to only put the formula. Exercise 5.3, question number 1. Find the sum of AB's. First question, 2, 7, 12, dash dash. 2, how many times? 10 times. These are in AP, yes. The difference between two consecutive terms is same. So what are given? A is equal to 2, D is equal to 7 minus 2, or 12 minus 7, D is equal to 5, or N is equal to given 10. You write the formula as N is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into a whole into d as n. So you will write as 10. This indicates the sum of 10 terms. 10 by 2, 2a, 2 into 2 plus and 10 minus 1 into d is 5. So this will be 5 and this will be 4. 9 into 5, 45. 5 into 49. 5 minus 45, 4. 5 for 20 and 4, 25. 245. This is the answer. Now you see, if you know if you know 3 terms of this formula, so you can find any fourth term. So we know here A, D and N, we have to find the sum. Formula, you put the values, simplify, you will get the answer. आप इसमें पूछ सकते हैं सर जो सेकंड इसी का जो अल्टरनेटिव मेथड्स है Sn is equal to n by 2 and first term plus last term. But here, if you use this formula, we don't know what is the last term. So पहले an इसको निकालना पड़ेगा. First you find an. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So n का मतलब 10th term. This is the number of terms. 10th term means what is the number in the 10th term? A2 plus 10 minus 1 into d, 2 plus 40, 45, 47. Now you can use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 and 10 by 2 into first term 2 plus last term 47. This will be 5 and this will be 49. Answer you will get the same 245. So my dear students, today you learned how will you find the sum of first n terms with the numbers given in AP. I have explained how did you get this formula and who was responsible to find this method to find the sum. He was known as Gauss. Gauss, very well-known mathematician. He has given this formula and we are using this formula to find the sum. So that's all for today. And you will try to solve the question of this exercise 5.3. And then I will meet you later on. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.